There are planets so terrifying, they make Earth's worst nightmares look like a vacation. Imagine rain made of molten glass, winds faster than the speed of sound, or a world where it's so dark, sunlight never touches the surface. These aren't sci-fi stories. They're real planets out there, and today we're diving into the scariest ones humans have ever discovered. Space is incredible, but it's also unbelievably brutal. While we dream about colonizing other worlds, the universe reminds us there are places we should never, ever step foot on. From toxic atmospheres to apocalyptic weather, some planets feel like they were designed to kill anything brave enough to visit. By the end of this video, you'll wonder how these planets even exist. For centuries, we've looked to the stars with a sense of wonder. But as our technology improves, the things we're discovering aren't just awe-inspiring, they're horrifying. Our galaxy is filled with planets so extreme, they defy everything we know about survival. Why do these hellish worlds exist? And what can they teach us about the fragility of life in the universe? Let's start with HD 189733b, a planet 64 light-years away that looks beautiful from a distance. Its blue hue resembles Earth's oceans, but don't be fooled. This gas giant has winds that rage at over 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. That's not even the scariest part. This planet rains molten glass. Imagine tiny shards of glass slicing through the air at supersonic speeds. There's no escaping it. Next up, Venus, our cosmic neighbor. It may not be as exotic as other worlds, but it's arguably the most hostile planet in the solar system. The surface temperature is a scorching 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The air, it's mostly carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. If that's not enough, the atmospheric pressure is so crushing, it's like being 900 meters underwater. Then there's Kepler 70b, a planet that orbits so close to its star, it's literally evaporating. This former gas giant is now a scorched rock, with surface temperatures reaching 7,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. You'd be vaporized before you even got close. But let's not forget WASP-12b, where the night side is pitch black, not dark black. This planet absorbs almost all light that hits it, making it one of the darkest known objects in space. Scientists believe the intense gravity of its parent star is ripping the planet apart, feeding on it like a cosmic predator. And then there's the ultimate nightmare, TRES-2b. If WASP-12b is dark, TRES-2b is terrifyingly black. This gas giant reflects less than 1% of the light it receives. It's so dark it looks like a black hole with a faint red glow from its internal heat. Floating in its skies would feel like standing in an infinite void. But here's where it gets even scarier. One of the strangest planets we found is PSRB 1257+12c, located in a pulsar system. Pulsars are dead stars that emit beams of radiation as they spin, and this planet orbits so close to one that it's constantly bombarded with deadly radiation. Any life here wouldn't just face a harsh environment. It would be obliterated by the star's relentless energy. And finally, we can't ignore K2141b. Imagine a planet where one side is a lava ocean with temperatures over 3,000 degrees Celsius, while the other side is an icy wasteland. The winds between these extremes blow at over 3,000 miles per hour, creating a nightmare world of fire, ice, and chaos. These planets remind us just how wild and unpredictable the universe can be. While Earth has its challenges, it's a paradise compared to the cosmic horrors out there. Each of these terrifying worlds shows us how rare and precious our planet truly is. Think Earth is still scary? Watch our next video to see what happens when stars collide.